Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off the Pixel 6 Pro and removing the SIM tray. This prevents short circuits. Next, heat the screen edges to roughly 80-90 degrees C to soften adhesive, then apply a suction cup and slide a plastic pick gently under the glass. Make sure to use a T3 Torx for the back screws if needed and keep parts in a magnetic mat or tray. Once the adhesive yields, lift slowly to expose the display connector area and proceed carefully. Once the midframe is loosened, remove the screws and lift the shield to expose connectors. You should disconnect the battery first to eliminate power. This is critical for safety. Then use a plastic spudger to release the display and digitizer connectors. Work from the smallest clip to the largest, making sure not to bend pins. When the old display is free, remove it carefully and preserve any adhesive strips or EMI shields you'll reuse. This helps align the new panel and maintains. You install the new display by aligning it and connecting the display ribbon first, then reconnect the battery. Before final sealing, power on the phone to test touch response, color, and OLED functions. Make sure the brightness and proximity sensor behave normally. Once tested, apply fresh adhesive strips, press the screen into the frame evenly, and reinstall mid-frame screws. If something fails, shut down, reseat connectors, and test again. If touch issues persist, try a different known good battery or reflow the connector.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.